Good day, this is my screen recording for Lab Activity 2 file access with and without semaphore. In this video, I will demonstrate the program execution for part 1 without synchronization and part 2 with a manual semaphore. And I explain the different and their output. This part 1, where no synchronization is used, I created a Python program that start 5 process. All the process write the multiple lines into the same shared file. Now I show you the code. There is no lacking semaphore. Semaphore applied in this part process right to the file whenever it's is scheduled by operating system. Now I run the code. I will now I will open the output file for part 1. As we can see, the line are interleave and orderly different process ID affair mixed together. This happened because multiple process access the file at the same time, causing arrays conditions. For my observations, when the program ran, all the process write to the same file at the same time. The output line are mixed in the interleave, meaning entries from different process appear and no fixed order. Comprehension question for part 1. Question 1. What is the shared resource in this experiment? The shared resource is the output text file where all process write data. Question 2. What is the critical sections? The critical section is the file writing operating because multiple process access it simultaneously. Question 3. What is your observation of the result? The output line are unordered and unpredictable, showing that process interrupt each other while writing. Question 4. Is the output predictable? Why or why not? No process scheduling is controlled by operating system, so execution order change every run. Next, I will demonstrate part 2, which use a manual semaphore to control file access. In part 2, I implemented a manual semaphore using a shared counter initialized to 1, and I also created custom wait and signal functions. Now I will show you the code. The waits function check if the counter is the greater than 0. If it is, the process enter the critical sections, otherwise the process wait briefly trying again. The signal's functions increase the counter after writing, allowing another process to enter. Now I will run the code and open output for part 2. The output is clean and orderly. Each process write completely before another process enter the critical sections. They show that manual semaphore successfully process and prevent interleaving. To my observations, each process wait it and turn before writing to the file. The out is clean and non-overlapping, proving that the manual semaphore works. Comparison question for part 2. Question 1. Why is the short sleep needed in the waiting loop? The short sleep prevents busy waiting, reducing CPU usage while process wait for access. Question 2. What happens if the counter starts at 2? Two processes can enter the critical section at the same time, which may cause interleaving again. Question 3. How does the counter prevent interleaving? The counter allows only one process at a time to enter the critical section by enforcing manual exclusion. Question 4. What happens if the process never code signal? Other process will wait forever, causing deadlock. And I thank you.